kitchen item. I bought a pair of plates, bowls, spoons, forks, glasses, a cup. Yeah, that's it. You don't need more than that, because here you can get it cheaper if you want to have the whole set. The set is very cheap here, like a good quality. Don't buy super heavy plates and everything, just the lightweight ones. Spatula, tongs, I'd say non-stick kadhai, but don't buy that round one, but bring the flat one for the stove and everything. I would prefer a steel kadhai over a non-stick. Rolling pin, like I'll put photos everywhere, and Jen we call it chakla, balan. So yeah. Knife, peeler, utensil for tea, sieve. You can't find sieve here, so bring one. Like you can find it only in Indian stores or sometimes in Walmart or Target. Like it's not every time there. Yeah, so the main thing that's very important are, first is pressure cooker. It's the most recommended thing to bring one pressure cooker from India, because it's very expensive here. You can't find it in Walmart, Target, so you have to go to like Amazon, and then on Amazon also it's very expensive. I'll put the price on the screen to compare both Indian and US prices. So bring pressure cooker, and don't bring the smallest one. Other is tawa. Yeah, just the flat one is important. That smasher kind of thing to mash potatoes and everything, for which we use for pav bhaji. Bring one. And also that pucker, you can't find it here. I didn't see it here more often, so bring that pucker. I'll post the picture. Tiffin, if your mom recommends it, bring one. I brought just one tiffin. Here you can buy a set of Tupperwares or set of boxes in a cheap price, so yeah, that's not that much important to bring. Food, that's my favorite in the whole list. So I'm a foodie, so I'll tell you my second mistake also here. You want to bring few ready to eat stuff, because for jet lag days and you need time to get accustomed to everything here, so bring ready to eat for few days. Other than that, spices, I'd recommend red chili powder, turmeric, dhania powder, garam masala, jeera one, MP people, jeera one. Hing, I'll recommend it to buy hing, because I didn't find hing here at Walmart or Target, so you have to go to Indian store to buy it, and it's again, bring it from India. Jeera, rai are seeds. I know these are not recommended to bring. Some people bring them, but they might stop you at the airport and ask you to throw it, so don't bring a lot of it. So the seed stuff are not allowed, and also the white, so like jeera, rai, salt, sugar, rice, so any of these things, don't bring those. Anyways, you can find these things here at anywhere, like Walmart, Target, Tom Thumbs, everywhere. So just don't bring these things in case, because you don't want to get stopped on airports, and then it will take time and you might get late for your flight, so don't bring those. I would not say don't bring, but I would not prefer bringing those MDH and bacha masalas for pav bhaji, chole or sambar, everything, because you can find them here at Patel also. So don't bring a lot of it. If your mom is not listening to you and giving it, just bring 1 or 2 packets. not more than that. Also khade masale, you can get it from here. You don't need to bring a whole lot of it, just bring a small, like 500 grams or something like that packet. Bring more and more of cooked stuff like chura or thepla or khakra, kuch people know, or sev, mixture. Indoris no. So yeah, bring those things that you can't find here and according to your taste, because the sev or mixture or anything I find here, I don't like the taste, because I am from MP and we have a different taste buds for namkeen. So yeah, bring those things, namkeen, homemade stuff, maybe gujia or chura, as I said. Whatever your moms want to pack, just let her pack, because you are going to miss it a lot. So bring those cooked stuff with you. Okay, my mistake, yeah. My mother didn't listen to me. I knew that I can find all these things in United States as well, but she didn't listen, and she packed me with rice, dal, ghee, like 1 month of kitchen items. Like I didn't need to go anywhere except for the first time to buy sugar and salt and few vegetables. Other than that, she gave me everything, and it covered a lot of space in my bag, and like the weight also. So yeah, but I know you're coming like to United States, away from them. They feel like they want to give you everything right now, take everything with you. So yeah, but tell them you'll find everything here. Don't need to bring everything from India, because dal, rice, beans and everything, you'll find it here. So it's just going to take space in your baggage. Apart from that, you can carry more clothes instead of that, or maybe shoes, or whatever you like, maybe books. So yeah. And now the last thing on my list is medicines, important stuff. So but you want to carry few medicines for cold, fever, headache, painkillers if you take some. Like I don't take painkillers, so I didn't bring any painkillers. So yeah, and meds for dehydration, vomiting, these common disease, bring meds for them. Other than that, vitamins if you take, Borolin, Vicks. Guys, we are Indians, we can't live without Vicks. Like I don't take meds for headache or something, I just put Vicks and sleep. It gets fine. So, and that Vicks is different from the Vicks we get here at United States, I feel. So bring Vicks with you. Other than that, Iodex or spray, crab bandage, a packet of waterproof bandages, Eno, Electrol, few packets, cotton, Dettol, hot water bags. Ladies, you know, it's very important. I didn't bring one, I had to buy it here, but yeah, it's very important, bring one. And some special meds if you take them, if you have any problem or any allergies, bring those medicines with you, and also the prescription for those medicines. That's it from the list. Like I've written that much in my list. If I'm forgetting anything, I'll write that in the description box with weight or number or whatever. So everything in the list I will be writing down in the description box below. Also, you have finally made it to the last point. You just have to come here. So I'm happy for you. All the best for your journey, or if you're planning to, all the best for future. So yeah, and if you want to know anything, or if you have questions about anything, if you want to know about my experience regarding some topics, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll take care of that. Yeah, I'm happy for you guys that you want to come here or you're planning to come here. So all the best. That's it from my side today. Thank you. Keep supporting. Bye bye.